In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a cartoon with Leonardo AI Desktop. To get started, head over to the Leonardo AI app in your desktop browser. Once the site loads, you'll be ready to move into the image creation workspace, which is where the cartoon making process begins. From the main interface, click on Image. This opens the image generation section, where you can enter your idea and customize how your cartoon will look. If you're new to the platform, this is the central area you'll use most often for creating visuals. Next, type in your prompt. This is where you describe the cartoon character you want Leonardo AI to generate. A good prompt should be clear and descriptive, especially for the initial character design. Try to mention important details like appearance, clothing, mood, colors, or overall cartoon vibe, so the AI has a strong starting point to work from. After that, choose a model. The model affects how the image is interpreted and rendered, so this selection can have a big impact on the final cartoon style and quality. If you're experimenting, you can always compare results later, but for now, just select the model you want to use for this generation. Then choose a style. This helps shape the overall visual direction of the cartoon, whether you want something playful, polished, vibrant, or more stylized. The style setting works together with your prompt and model, so it's worth making sure they all match the look you're aiming for. Now, select your image dimensions. This determines the shape and layout of the final image. For example, a wider format can work well for scenes, while other dimensions may be better for character-focused images. Next, select the number of generations. This controls how many image variations Leonardo AI will create at once. More generations can give you more options to choose from, which is helpful if you want to compare different cartoon results. Finally, click Generate and let Leonardo AI create your cartoon. Once the results appear, you can review the generated images and decide which version best matches your vision.